for it in half a yard.
The traders will interact with the market and hedge the trades.
Some excellent, 4 cents.
Do I just say done?
This is a very binary view. The reality has more nuance. Let's first look at Harper's exact role. She's in CPS or cross-product sales, which means she deals with multiple asset classes, but also various types of products.
Okay, so just to confirm, you're 50 at 30.
Buy an option on treasury yields hitting 4%.
It's a combination of puts, calls, and CDS packaged in an elegant, cheap suite.
And very often sales only deal with one type of product because different type of clients would only buy a certain category. For example, a hedge fund would deal with flow derivatives and a private bank will only buy structured products. If we look at the job of Rishi, he's pricing and trading options on treasury yields.
Fiat done 4 cents.
But he also has an axe in bonds.
We've got some mid-market offers on some corporate bonds.
Again, these jobs could be separate because buying and selling bonds
I would love them to be moved this morning.
is a very different skill set than pricing derivatives. In fact, traders can be much more specialized than that. Here's, for example, a recent job offer for an EMEA equity index correlation trader by JP Morgan. So you can see the triple focus in terms of geography, EMEA, instrument, equity index, and strategy, correlation. What about others? It's not just about sales and trading. And when Harper comes up with a trading strategy,
It's a combination of puts, calls, and CDS.
you may say it's actually not really her role. This is a strategist role. That's what this guy looks like he's doing.
I've published a piece looking back at the decade.
That's someone who looks a bit like research and produces reports, but sits on the trading floor, whereas research needs to be separated. And the strategist will come up with specific idea.
2007 to 2009.
How are we supposed to monetize what's in the rearview mirror?
And I think there's also a missing role that we don't see at Pierpoint. It's that of the structurer. When sales price different ideas, they might have a lot of variations that are needed for the client.
I have the traders looking at includes a put option on the home builders index.
They shouldn't ask constantly a price to trading. So structures are linked to trading. They use the same parameters and models, but they have a capacity to do more pricing for marketing purpose. And the sales would interact with the structures instead of the trading. Overall, this is pretty accurate in industry, but it's also a slightly obsolete word as technology is changing those roles and replacing many of the jobs.